everybody, my name's Cam from Etani, and today I want to show off putting together a board deck for one of your clients. Like previously, I've shown you a lot of things like budgeting and forecasting and profit and loss, which of course Power BI can do that. It's an analytics platform, but it's also an incredible delivery vehicle. And so a board deck can be built with a feature in Power BI called bookmarks. I'll show you exactly what I mean, and then I'll show you how it works after that, because this is an excellent vehicle to put together board decks for your clients. So I'll load this up, go full screen, so you can get a feel for it. You can imagine this being maybe in the actual boardroom. You could put this up on the TV, or maybe all the board of directors can hold an iPad in their hands or something. The idea here is that we've got the board deck, but it's dynamic, which is incredible to have because it opens up discussions. So you can put your static stuff like your agenda and go through your minutes and things like that first. But the point is, then you bring in your actual reports. So here's just a general sales performance, but you can talk about it. You can change the numbers and change the quarters. Everything updates, so you get sales performance. You might be talking about, for example, here the budget versus actual, how you're actually tracking. So if we go back to, for example, go back to January and just say, let's talk about the first 7 months of the year. Why are we above budget? Casual shirts are doing really well. Let's drill into casual shirts. Find out why that's doing so well, which ones are doing bad. The conversations by going through this dynamic, like something dynamic like this is incredible. KPIs, this is really just putting together a lot of the reports that you've already built. KPIs, everything can be analyzed in detail by having these conversations. So how do you do it? Well, let's just close out of here. So we open up Power BI Desktop where this all happened, and this is the way bookmarks are essentially how you put together a board deck like that. Is this happens like this. You just have separate tabs. It's that easy to put together separate tabs. So I've literally created a little arrow here, and if we click on this arrow, I've got an action on it, and that action is a bookmark which goes to page 3. And guess what? This one over here, this arrow, what do you know? It goes to page 5. It is that easy to sort of push where you want your pages to go, and that's how you create a board deck. So you can imagine the board deck is just scratching the surface here on things you can build. Like, for example, drill down. Like the bookmark feature is perfect for drilling down. So say the net profit, well, you create a bookmark on the net profit so that when you click on it, it actually goes straight into the actual core data that's underlying what's making up that number. So drill down and then you can go back. So get in and out of different pages. So forget board decks. What about just actually using it as a drill down tool? I'm sure that you can think of all these different applications because you've got the power to move these reports in all different ways. So that's all from me. I've spent so much time on the analytics. I just wanted to show off one really cool feature inside Power BI, and there's so much more to show you. So if you're ready to take your advisory service in your accounting firm to the next level, I mean, this is absolutely next level. I promise you, there's not many people out there that are doing this. Give me a call and let's set up a live demo.